Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change comment settings on Instagram. So if you want to change your Instagram comment settings, like who can leave comments on your Instagram post, who can react or leave comments on your reels, and then if you want to block someone on your Instagram comment, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to change comment setting on Instagram, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Instagram application. Now, once you open the Instagram app, click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Once you click on that, you'll be taken to your Instagram profile page. And on the Instagram profile page, click on the menu icon at top right. Now, you'll be taken to the settings and activity page on your Instagram account. Then you want to scroll down the page. Just keep scrolling, locate and click on comments. Under how others can interact with you, and then click on that. Once you click on comment here, you have access to your comment setting on Instagram. Now to change it, you can start from block comment from. So if you want to block someone from commenting on your Instagram post or reels, just come here and then search for the name. So come here, search for the name of the person, and you should see some suggestions comes up here. And on the suggestion, you can just go ahead and block the person from commenting on your Instagram post. Now, if you also want to see who can comment on your reels and who can comment on your post, click on post and reels. Then here you have everyone can comment, people you followed, your followers, and people you follow and your followers. So if you want everyone to be able to comment on your post, or you want people who followed you or people who do not follow you, or all people on Instagram to be able to comment on your Instagram post, just come here and choose everyone. And lastly, choose who can comment on your story. If you want everyone to comment on your story, then turn this on. And if you want to disable everyone from commenting on your stories, just disable this. And then just go, you can also block someone from commenting your Instagram story. Come here, search for the name. And then once you have the result from the pop, just go ahead and tap block. You see that? So that's exactly how to change comment setting on Instagram. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.